Good morning. I'm extremely excited to be attending this event with all of you. My name is Adam Hansen, and I am an accountant with SVA Certified Public Accountants. I specialize working with closely held and family-owned businesses. Our goal at SVA is to provide our clients with more than just a tax return and a financial statement. As much as we enjoy assisting our clients with those items, we truly strive to be a strategic advisor. We partner with our clients to assist them in growing their business and reaching their goals. We're also a resource to our clients when they are struggling or when times are tough, which most of us have been dealing with this past year. During those times is when you need to be able to rely on your advisors and the data you have within your business to help you make better decisions. One example I want to share with you is a business who lost a significant portion of their sales due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Many of their current customers were forced to stop operating, and as a result, future sales were drying up. In an effort to conserve cash, we reviewed the business and helped them determine how to move forward. We looked at 5 areas of the business to do this. We first looked at the receivables aging and focused on collecting those receivables quicker. We started by contacting customers with older balances, then we moved to the more recent receivables from there. Next, we looked at the accounts payable aging to determine payments to vendors that could possibly be extended. This was tough for my client because they took a lot of pride in paying their vendors quickly. However, like most of us, they had to tap into any means necessary to keep cash flowing the business. By speeding up collections and slowing down payables, we were able to increase working capital considerably. Next, we reviewed both the cost of goods sold and overhead expenses to determine if there were opportunities to reduce costs. Could we increase profits slightly on each sale? Was there room to decrease overhead expenses that maybe the client didn't absolutely need? Some tough decisions had to be made, but by reviewing these expenses again, we were able to find ways to save. We then looked at the break-even analysis to determine what their monthly sales needed to be to cover overhead expenses that were remaining, as well as any monthly debt obligations. By having this figure in mind, it gave the business owner a goal to work towards. They knew the bare minimum of what had to be done in order to stay in business. Knowing that number seemed like a very powerful tool to my client. Lastly, the business owner had to think outside the box on where to find new sales opportunities. This was uncomfortable for them, but they were able to tap into a profit center they never considered before, and I'm happy to say they were able to not only meet their break-even amount, but exceeded it. Since that time, sales have bounced back and the business continues to service the new profit center. This was a very challenging time for my client, as it is for many businesses. But by having accurate and timely data at their fingertips, they were able to react quickly and save their business. Thank you for your time this morning, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.